Hello everyone and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use some advanced features in your custom value form. If you have some set of operations like mathematical operations, you can create them using the custom value form. Stop wasting time with manual work and use our plugin to run your business smoothly. You can use the mathematical operation, for example, addition, subtraction, division, or multiplication. You can give a dividend value, and this is a divider. And you can give it a result. You can give a set of operations like contact if you want to contact a person. If you want the results like the average. And once you're done, you can click on the submit button and your value is going to be added. Good data is only useful if it's well organized. Clear naming, clear reports, and regular reviews will make sure you can actually use the information you are collecting correctly. Our custom value form, which is one of our plugins, is going to help you streamline your work smoothly. Thanks so much for watching.